Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have another in-depth video. It's going to be on a touchy subject for me, which is my acne. So I did an Instagram poll and you guys voted that you wanted to see how I cover up my acne. So today is going to be this video. I used a few products that might be a little bit more expensive that have worked for me. I'm not saying to go buy those products. If you guys have a healthy alternatives that are also cost effective, feel free to comment down below because I would like to know of them as well. This is going to be talking about my skincare routine as well as what I do as a base for my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are going to let me know if there's anything else I can do to possibly help me, because I do know that there might be little tips and tricks out there that might work that I don't know of. So feel free to comment again down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, see you guys on the other side. In terms of cleanser, I use the Kate Somerville cleanser. It looks like this. It's the Exfoliate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. So it's not an exfoliator, it's just a quick cleansing. It's really good. I've been enjoying it. It's soft on my skin. It's not super intense. After that, I either use one of these two. So I have the UFO oil from Sunday Riley, which is 1.5% salicylic acid. I bought the smaller size because I wasn't sure if it's going to work yet, and it's been honestly working really well. Some days I'm going to use the PTR AHA BHA Acne Clearing Gel, which is also used as a serum, so it's this one over here. And then as a moisturizer, I like using something gentle that won't really treat my acne, more so just hydrate my skin to make sure I'm not drying out my skin. So I use the Purity Moisturizer. And then something I always make sure that I apply before starting my makeup, it's always going to be a sunscreen. I've been recently loving the Shiseido one. It has an SPF of 42. Anyways, I use this daily. It's just an extra step, but it also helps my face feel good. So yeah, that's pretty much all my skincare in terms of like treating and protecting and stuff like that. In terms of primer, I just got this one, so I'm still just trying it out, but it hasn't made me break out, which the only other one that hasn't made me break out is the Hourglass Mineral Veil. So this one is the Tatcha. It's the Silk Canvas. And meanwhile, while that's drying, I'm just going to talk about the next product I've been loving. So this is the Bye Bye Breakout Full Coverage Concealer from IT Cosmetics. I'm just adding it where I do have active blemishes, because I do believe it has witch hazel in there. It's AHA, BHA, I believe. So a bunch of stuff that does treat the acne, so I don't want to be putting it on any sensitive areas, such as around my eyes. So this is what the concealer looks like. Like I said, it kind of dries down to a different shade. It's like a little bit more yellow than my skin tone, but honestly, we're going to put on foundation on top of it, so it's nothing to be super worried about. Next step is going to be foundation. You guys know this has been my go-to since the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And then also about this foundation, it does have hyaluronic acid inside it, so it does help with my dehydration and doesn't break away as often around my nose. So we're just gonna apply that. Fast forward. Perfect, so that's just a foundation applied. I know it looks quite dark, but once you look at my neck, you can see that it's a little bit darker, maybe too yellow for my skin tone. After that, if it's a day like today where it's really warm outside, I like to kind of keep it at that and then just set it with powder. If it's a day that I want a little extra coverage, such as like a day where I work and stuff, I'm going to use either of the concealer. If it's a really bad face day, I'm going to go in with the all-nighter concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. And then if it's more of a natural day where I just want to go highlight some areas like under my eyes, my chin, Cupid's bow, nose, whatever, I'm gonna go in with my NARS concealer. I am excited to try out the New Born This Way one because I do really love the foundation. So now I'm just gonna set it with a powder. I honestly should probably invest in getting a powder that's better for my skin, but I literally just use this Marcel powder that I bought at the drugstore. So this is my finished foundation look. I'm going to step off of camera to kind of finish my today makeup look. Just a little bit of bronzer on my eyes, on my face and everything. It's a very, very warm day outside in Canada today. So I'm just going to do it, keep it real simple. So I'll be right back with my makeup done. And yeah, see you guys on the other side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely something a little bit different I'm trying to do, where I really go in depth about my routines. So this is definitely kind of an everyday look for me. I get that it might be a little bit extra coverage, but that's how I like to look. So if ever you guys have any suggestions about next videos you would like to see, or any little tips and tricks like I mentioned in the intro, please feel free to comment down below, because I do acknowledge that I don't know everything obviously about it. So if there's anything that could possibly help me out or help anyone out there struggling with acne as well, feel free to comment down below. So please subscribe, share this video with your friends, leave some comments down below. Push that bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. It would mean a lot. Give it a thumbs up. So yeah, I hope I get to see you guys next week. Okay, tune in next Friday for a new video.